My sun and flowers are much brighter and prettier, but my banana tree is bigger and has food on it. Mine is better. My painting is more beautiful.
No, mine is bigger and better. Guys, come on.
Is not.
Is too.
Both drawings are amazing in different ways. Subscribe to our channel. Like this video. Share it with your friends. Thank you.